Welcome to Smart Money 101. In this video, you will learn how to use AI to make money, even if you are starting from zero. Artificial intelligence is not the future. Artificial intelligence is right now. And the people who learn how to use it today will be far ahead in the next 5 years. If you want more videos about money, investing, and financial freedom, remember to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our weekly uploads. Let's get started. Artificial intelligence is creating financial opportunities for everyone. It doesn't matter where you live, how old you are, or how much experience you have. Artificial intelligence tools allow you to start digital businesses, automate work, and earn income faster than ever. The goal of this video is simple: to show you real, practical ways that you can start making money using AI starting today. Before we jump into specific methods, let's talk about why AI is such a powerful tool for making money. Artificial intelligence helps you do tasks faster. Artificial intelligence helps you do tasks better. Artificial intelligence allows one person to do the work of many people. You don't need to hire a team. You don't need to buy expensive equipment. You don't even need to show your face online if you don't want to. This is why AI is such a big opportunity. It lowers the barrier to entry for everyone. Now let's explore the best ways to use AI to make money. We will go step by step and cover everything from content creation to digital products, services, automation, and passive income. The first method is content creation using AI. Content creation is one of the easiest and most profitable ways to make money with AI. You can create full YouTube videos using tools that write scripts, record voiceovers, create visuals, and edit everything automatically. You don't need a camera. You don't need to show your face. Artificial intelligence takes care of everything. Many successful YouTube channels today are faceless channels made entirely with AI. You only need to pick a niche, like personal finance, motivation, travel, psychology, or technology. Then you create videos consistently. YouTube pays you through ads, sponsorships, affiliate links, and digital products. You can also create short videos for TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube Shorts. Short-form videos are fast to create and can reach millions of viewers. Artificial intelligence can generate a full batch of short videos in minutes. Once you get views, you can monetize through brand deals, affiliate products, and traffic to your YouTube channel. The second method is blogging. Artificial intelligence can write blog articles, optimize them for Google, help you design your website, and even create images for your posts. If you publish consistently, blogs can bring in income from ads, affiliate links, and digital product sales. Blogs take time to grow, but once they gain traffic, they can make passive income every month. The third method is selling digital products with the help of AI. Artificial intelligence makes it incredibly easy to create digital items like ebooks, guides, templates, planners, checklists, financial spreadsheets, and even online courses. The best part of digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over again. Platforms like Etsy and Gumroad allow you to start with no upfront cost. The fourth method is offering AI-powered services. You can use AI tools to provide services faster, cheaper, and better than traditional freelancers. Examples include video editing, voiceover creation, writing scripts, designing logos, transcription, translation, social media content creation, and email marketing. Businesses will pay you for your speed and efficiency, even if you are using AI behind the scenes. The fifth method is affiliate marketing using AI. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product and earn a commission when someone buys it. Artificial intelligence can help you create videos, blogs, reviews, and social media posts that promote affiliate products. This is a great way to earn passive income because once the content is created, it can generate sales for months or even years. The sixth method is AI automation systems for businesses. You can use AI to create chatbots, email responses, customer support systems, and workflow automations. Small businesses are desperate for solutions that save them time and money. You can charge a monthly fee to maintain these systems. The seventh method is selling AI-generated art and visuals. Artificial intelligence can create stunning designs, images, posters, wallpapers, and illustrations. You can sell artwork online, offer design services, or sell custom graphics to businesses. The eighth method is building niche websites using AI. Artificial intelligence can help you choose a topic, write articles, design the website, and create images. You can build a website in days instead of months. These sites can make money from ads and affiliate links once they gain traffic. The ninth method is creating newsletters using AI. Artificial intelligence can write the content, design the layout, and help you publish weekly newsletters about topics like personal finance, technology, or online business. You can monetize newsletters with sponsors and paid subscriptions. The 10th method is AI tutoring and consulting. Once you learn how to use AI tools effectively, people will pay you to teach them. You can offer one-on-one lessons, group classes, or digital courses. Artificial intelligence skills are in very high demand right now. The 11th method is AI voiceovers. Artificial intelligence voices are becoming extremely realistic. You can sell voiceovers for YouTube channels, ads, audiobooks, courses, and social media videos. The 12th method is transcription services. Artificial intelligence can convert audio into text instantly. You can offer transcription for podcasts, meetings, videos, and interviews. This requires almost no effort, because AI does all the work. The 13th method is translation services. Artificial intelligence can translate text, audio, and videos into dozens of languages. You can offer translation services to content creators, businesses, and individuals around the world. The 14th method is creating social media bundles. Artificial intelligence can create captions, graphics, quotes, and content ideas. You can sell packs of ready-made content to small businesses or influencers. The 15th method is creating online courses. Artificial intelligence can help you plan the course, write the lessons, create the slides, record the voiceover, and even generate videos. Courses can be extremely profitable once you build an audience. Let's go deeper into some of the most profitable strategies. One powerful approach is combining multiple methods. For example, you can create a YouTube channel, promote digital products, add affiliate links, and grow a newsletter, all using AI. This creates multiple income streams from the same content. Another strategy is choosing a niche. The more focused your topic is, the faster you will grow. If you are too general, it becomes harder to compete. But if you pick a specific niche like budgeting, AI tools, real estate, travel hacks, or productivity, you can grow much faster. Let's talk about consistency. The people who succeed with AI are not the ones who try something once and quit. The people who win are the ones who create content every week, improve their skills, and experiment with new ideas. You don't need to be perfect. You just need to take action. Artificial intelligence gives you the ability to work smarter, not harder. It helps you produce more content, faster than ever before. It gives you the power to create income streams that were once impossible without a team or a big budget. Let's go deeper into content creation because this is one of the most effective methods. When creating YouTube videos, AI can write your script, record the voice, and edit the video. Tools like Pictory allow you to upload the script, choose a voice, and generate the complete video automatically. This means you can publish videos every week without spending hours editing. Once your channel grows, you earn money from YouTube ads. You also earn from sponsorships. You earn from affiliate links. You earn from selling digital products. A single video can make money for you for months or even years. Short-form content is also extremely powerful. Platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts can give you massive reach quickly. Artificial intelligence can create batches of short videos in minutes. These videos can drive traffic to your YouTube channel, your digital products, or your affiliate links. Now let's talk about digital products in more detail. Digital products require work at the beginning, but then they generate income passively. Artificial intelligence can help you create ebooks, checklists, templates, and financial spreadsheets. These products can be sold on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or your own website. Once created, they require no extra work to keep selling. Let's go deeper into AI services. Services are a good way to earn money quickly. You can use AI to complete tasks for clients, such as editing videos, writing emails, creating content, or designing graphics. Businesses will pay you because you save them time and improve their results. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to create passive income. You only need to recommend products. When someone clicks your link and buys, you get paid. Artificial intelligence can help you create reviews, videos, blog posts, and social media content that promote affiliate products automatically. Automation tools are another powerful opportunity. You can build simple systems that help businesses handle customer service, respond to emails, or manage their online presence. Once you set up these systems, you can charge a monthly fee for maintenance. Artificial intelligence-generated art is also a growing market. People buy digital artwork for websites, social media, books, and branding. You can create artwork with AI and sell it online or offer it as a service. Newsletters are another great way to earn money. You can build an audience and then monetize through sponsorships or premium memberships. Artificial intelligence can write your newsletter content every week. The key to all of these methods is taking action. Choose one method and start today. You do not need to be an expert. You do not need a lot of money. You just need to begin. Artificial intelligence is the tool. You are the creator. Together, you can build something powerful. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video. It helps the channel grow and allows us to create more content for you. Don't forget to subscribe to Smart Money 101 and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Before you go, make sure to watch the other videos on our channel. They will help you improve your finances and create new income streams. Thank you for watching Smart Money 101. See you in the next video.